China has just shocked the world with what its building can, yet almost no one is talking about what it really means.
Children are learning artificial intelligence at an early age, preparing for a world that doesn't fully exist yet. Even infrastructure is becoming automated. Massive machines now build roads on their own, guided by data and precision systems. The builders are becoming robots. Travel is turning frictionless. No tickets, no lines, just movement. Systems recognize individuals instantly, handling everything in seconds. A vast network of sensors watches, analyzes, and reacts in real time. Every movement can be identified, tracked, and interpreted instantly. Even wallets and phones are becoming unnecessary. Identity itself becomes the payment method, fast, seamless, and nearly invisible. Robots are no longer mechanical-looking machines. They move, react, and interact like humans, sometimes indistinguishable at first glance. Personal robots are becoming practical helpers, assisting with daily routines, tasks, and even entertainment. Robotics is also taking animal form. These machines move with speed and agility, navigating terrain with precision and balance. Some robots now look almost identical to humans. Expressions, movements, even conversations, becoming harder to distinguish from reality. Healthcare is transforming through automation. Machines assist in diagnosis, treatment, and even surgery, improving speed and precision. Distance is no longer a barrier. Doctors can treat patients from thousands of kilometers away, or be replaced entirely by intelligent systems. Even farming is becoming intelligent. Drones and machines handle planting, monitoring, and harvesting, increasing efficiency on a massive scale. This isn't a glimpse of tomorrow. It's happening now. The real question is, when the future spreads everywhere, will we be ready?